Hello everyone, welcome to Revit family next video in which we talk about void revolve. Okay, how it's work and how you can use this command. Okay, it's same as the void, and so let's start. Let's see how we can use this command. Click on the void revolve, select the profile. Suppose I am selecting this one, and let's go in the reference plane and create some profile here. Suppose I have just create some profile. Provide the axis line. Suppose I am providing axis line here, and finish this. Go in 3D, and you can see it will cut the object like this. You can see, if you want to increase, you can increase also. Okay, suppose let's see some other example. I will explain you again. Go in, create void form, select the void revolve. Suppose I want to place some profile on the top of this object. So first set the work plane, pick a plane. Okay, pick the plane. Now create some boundary over here. Go for that, we have to go in here. I have selected this line and make some random. Provide the axis line. Suppose I am providing the axis line here. Finish the model. Go in 3D. Now you can see it cuts the object like this. You can see here. Okay, suppose I want some profile here. Go and create, select the void revolve, select the plane, work plane, pick the line. Okay, and make here some boundary on this. Where the axis line here. Okay, you can see here it's got the plane like this. This is all about void revolve. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.